How do we know if something is true in science? The answer lies in a fascinating process we all use every day without realizing it: the scientific method. It all starts with observation. Imagine you notice that a plant grows faster near a window than in the shade. That simple observation raises a question. Does light affect growth? In science, every truth begins with a good question. Next comes the hypothesis, a possible explanation. For example, plants grow more with more light. It's an idea we don't yet know is true, but we can test it. Then comes experimentation. We design an experiment, place two identical plants, one in sunlight and one in shade, and measure their growth over several weeks. The data we gather are the heart of science. If the plant in sunlight grows more, the hypothesis gains support. If not, it may be wrong, and that's fine, because being wrong is part of progress. We then analyze the results, look for patterns, remove errors, and try to understand what the numbers truly say. If results are repeated, and others can get the same outcome, the idea becomes more reliable. The next step is to communicate findings. Scientists publish results so others can review, critique, and improve them. This peer review keeps science honest. Finally, knowledge is integrated into what we already know and applied to new problems, curing diseases, predicting weather, or developing technologies. And when new observations arise, the cycle begins again. Science is not a collection of absolute truths but a journey toward deeper understanding. Because science isn't about being right, it's about finding truth through doubt and evidence. Check the description for a link to the blog, where you can explore these ideas in more detail and see visual examples.